My name is Jaime Jimenez. I am from the San Jacinto del Cauca, teacher César Augusto Lara, Corporación University del Caribe. What would you like to have in the restaurant, Jaime Jimenez? My taxi order. Yes, I like hamburgers and large order friend, please. I greet. I would like salad. Yes, I have Miss Rich salad. Okay. What kind of reason would you like? We had wine, Italy, and French. Italian, please. And would you like Angie to drink? Yes, I like orange soda, please. My conversation in the restaurant. My taxi order. Yes, I working night to hair, salt, and roast meat. With what? Bingham. Would you like to accompany the salad? Yes, I would like root and like tomato. What would you like to drink? A bit of wine. What dessert would you like to have? I would like to add a chocolate dessert. Thank you.